It's so spicy. I'm almost crying.
Oh, you're crying, seriously?
Yeah.
Just in time. Just in time.
To save you.
Boom! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe Hatagwa. I'm a Sierra Leonean American living in Ghana. And if you want to learn how to eat Ghanaian food with your hands, then this is the video for you. This is Ghana Table Talks episode 2. Today I'm meeting up with my good friends Kels and Vonne, and we're gonna go to a place called Asanka Local for the Sunday special. You're gonna see what we order. We're gonna talk about the cultural differences between our 3 different cultures, and we're gonna learn how to eat with our hands. That's gonna be important, that's critical, because there is a way to eat with your hands that I just learned today. Had no idea before. You'll see how you wash your hands at the table. Spicy foods, whether we like them, whether we don't, if we can handle spicy foods or not. Then you get our thoughts on the food, and then lastly, the Sunday special, what they have here in Ghana versus do we have some Sunday traditions in our different cultures. All right, check it out.
Please. Yo guys, we are here, sitting down, ready to order, ready to do our thing. We're having the Omo-Tu special, as Vonne keeps telling us, you know. Right.
There's Sundays are for a mutual period.
So what does it consist of?
Yeah, what is it?
It's rice made into like rice balls. Then you can take it with peanut soup or palm nut soup. But usually it goes with peanut soup. Then you can have any other protein you want, cow, fish, beans.
What do you usually have?
With some goat and some salmon fish.
Okay. I'm not rocking with the chicken. I'll call you local. That's my
Yeah,
mom,
right?
You know what I'm saying? But you're vegan, so.
Yeah, so I used to eat peanut stew with chicken.
Okay.
Yeah, and so now I'm gonna do it with beans. Groundnut soup with rice balls, right? I guess maybe 4. And then with beans. Because I can always add more later if I wanted more, right?
Then peanut, right?
Sorry.
Peanut.
Yeah, peanuts, groundnut soup, yes.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Why don't you walk us through what people usually do before they go ahead and eat?
So first of all, you have to wash your hands. And just go with soap, and then you rinse it with this with clean water. So that's what I'm going to do.
Okay.
And we eat with our hands here too. Sorry, I didn't tell you guys about that.
So our second topic is pretty much about the culture of eating, with your hands.
S-P-O-O-N.
Okay. S-P-O-O-N. That's what the spoon is. Okay.
I personally believe the reason why we eat with our hands is because back then we didn't have the cutlery.
Right.
It was the white people that brought the cutlery.
Okay.
So we knew only how to eat with our hands. So it's so part of our culture to still eat with your hands. I do that a lot in my house, even with rice and stuff. I just munch it with my fingers and I just have some extra spice. I don't know.
Yeah. I guess that depends on how well you wash your hands, right? So yeah, Joe, what do you feel about eating with your hands?
I have eaten with my hands before, so depending on what it is, I'll eat with my hands. Things that are as messy, I don't normally eat with my hands. So like fufu in Sierra Leone, I'm the guy who eats it with a spoon, right? If I eat it. Yeah, that's not a thing. Like if it's meant to be eaten without a spoon, don't eat with a spoon. But I'm Americanized in that way.
When you eat with your hands, you have more control, right? With a fork, a knife, and a spoon. You spend a lot more time when you put it right into your mouth. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just like that. All right, guys, let's go. Let's dig in. Let's eat.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Good.
Okay, Vonne's got she got like a 3-fingered thing. I didn't see that before.
Like the whole.
Like this.
Okay. Yeah, she's got it down. Let's see what you got, Joe. Okay.
I don't know how to do that.
Don't take it from the top. You take it from the side, like into the soup.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's very hot. It's hot down there.
I'm almost crying.
Sorry, but just funny. Oh, you're crying, seriously.
Just in time. Just in time. The spicy food here is really good. And it's not just spicy, but it's spicy with flavor. What I was saying is in the U.S., sometimes you'll get a kind of hot sauce. I won't call anyone out in particular, but it's just hot to be hot, but it doesn't have any good flavor.
Okay.
But this is like organic, straight from the ground, so it has really, really rich flavor. And so I like my food. The spicier, the better.
You sweating? Hey, listen, guys. Yvonne does not sweat. When she sweats,
It's hot.
You know it's hot.
it's hot. You know it's hot.
Been crying?
I've been crying like I lost my dog. I'm sweating like I stole something. It's judgment time. Tell us what you thought about your food.
Man, it was really good. Satisfying. I couldn't even finish it. It was so much. So I'm going to save this for later. But the Groundnut Soup, the peanut stew was very, very good here.
Ivy, so tell us what you thought about your food.
I just love anything rice, and I love peanut soup, so it's all gone. Hi, Kels.
Yo, what's up, guys?
How was the food?
Food was amazing. I had a couple vulnerable moments. I was crying on camera, but it was really good. I like the flavors, very authentic, very different. In America, we have different type of spices and ingredients, so really good. It works good together. I appreciate the experience. Thank you for bringing it. It's lit.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
So after church, then let's just go to the top bar. Eat, you talk a little, and then after that, you just go home and rest for Monday. So that's just the concept behind the Sunday special.
Oh, that's interesting. Joe, do you guys have any type of Sunday special?
So we don't. It's very different. And we do eat the Groundnut Soup or peanut butter soup kind of any day of the week. So it doesn't really have to be on a Sunday. And we don't do a Sunday special. So this is very interesting. And we also don't do it with rice balls. It's just regular white rice. I think I like them equal. Sierra Leone Groundnut Soup and Ghanaian Groundnut Soup. The jollof is better in Sierra Leone.
I gotta cut them off. In the West Indies, in Caribbean, Puerto Rico, they have Sundays. You definitely get the rice and beans. Right. You get the arroz con gandules, chicken. You get the maduros with the plantains.
So everybody feels special on a Sunday, I guess.
Right. For sure. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at authentic_African and subscribe to both Kels and Vonne. Alright guys, if you'll go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. Alright, see you on the next video.